Ramulast Testo Booster is wonderful testosterone-enhancing supplement. It is available in the form of easily consumable dietary pills and improves your masculinity and treats sex-related issues that you face so far. By taking up this supplement regularly, you are sure to notice rapid health benefits like solves premature ejaculation, improvement in erection quality, increases the staying power in bed, and also treats many other sex-related issues completely. The male enhancement works on dual levels, such as giving an instant rise in sexual performance and power, and then treats the root cause of the issue as well. It tends to satisfy you and your partner consistently. We have included the Ramulast Testo Booster link in the description box. How does Ramulast Testo Booster work? The formula used in Ramulast Testo Booster supplement is that it helps in increasing blood circulation throughout the body, including the penis region. This pill helps in the collection of more blood towards the penis region so that the region holds increased blood for a prolonged time period to make the erections harder, stronger, and rigid, along with improved staying power. When more blood flows to the brain region, then it tends to improve mood patterns and relaxes your mind. However, this product tends to make you both physically and mentally fit and active at any age. Ingredients of Ramulast Testo Booster: Lepidum minor, Polypodium vulgar, Epimedium, L-arginine, Panax ginseng, Saw palmetto, Tongkat alley, Mucuna gigantea. Benefits of Ramulast Testo Booster: it helps in providing more strength to the users. Boost in terms of muscle growth. Helps in reducing recovery time in between workouts. Quite helpful in getting strong manly erections. Offer well-defined and lean muscle mass. Increase in sexual charisma. Increased pleasure and higher charisma. Helps in intensifying your orgasms. Made using natural and herbal ingredients. Ramulast Testo Booster is a significant supplement developed to solve sexual dysfunction issues without undergoing much trouble. It helps in increasing your testosterone level naturally without creating a serious issue. So if you want to order Ramulast Testo Booster, check the link in the description box. If you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel.